I'm going to show you a really cool gift wrapping idea. What you will need: your gift, some gift wrap. I have these really cute mini ornaments. I have the large Badabra bow maker and some bow wire, of course. And then I have my ribbon. And this ribbon is, I believe, 7/8 inches in width. And this is really pretty and shiny. That's so cute. And I already have my different lengths cut. So this is going to be a really big, like, loopy, fun, whimsical bow. So for the loops, you will need 17-inch long piece, two 20-inch long pieces, and two 22-inch long pieces. And for the tails, you will need a 20-inch long piece, 25 inches, 32 inches, and 38 inches long. So we end up with 5 pieces for our loops and 5 pieces for our tails. Again, these are just some measurements that I went with, but you can definitely alter it to fit your needs. If you want it larger, then definitely go bigger. If you want it smaller, then decrease your size. I like the different sizes. I think it just looks more fun. You will also need scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So we have the gift wrap. I do have more videos I will link in the description box on exactly how I wrapped my gifts, but we have it wrapped. Now for the fun part, we are going to add a really huge, gorgeous bow. And I actually decided to go with the longer bow wire. I cut a longer piece because I'm going to show you guys another option you have with tying it. So this is a really long piece of bow wire that I have folded in half, and I'm going to start with the longest pieces towards the bottom and then work my way to the shorter pieces. And I'm not doing this in any specific order. I'm just going to go with a tail, a loop, a tail, a loop, just alternating. Alright, so I'm taking my longest piece, I'm going to fold it in half to find the center. Right side up, I'm going to fold, bring the front and the back up, and scrunch it down. Then I'm going to go with a loop. So I take the end, wrong side facing up. I'm going to fold, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Just like that. Make a loop, and then scrunch the other side. Find my center, and scrunch once more. And I'm just going to keep alternating loop, tail, and I have 5 of each, but like I said, you can do more, less, it's completely up to you. I just try to angle them differently so that they're not all right on top of each other. Okay, so I have them all in place, 5 loops and 5 tails, well, a total of 10 loops. And I'm just giving it a nice big scrunch. This is how it's looking. So cute already. I love the different lengths. I think that just, I don't know, I think it's just so cute. I'm going to take your bow wire, the 2 open ends, go inside the loop. And I like to hold my bow in place, tug just like that. And I'm going to tie it a couple of times. I'm just going to come and kind of spread my bow out. This is how it's looking. That looks pretty good to me. I left the bow wire pretty long because I wanted to show you that if you choose to, you can definitely place the bow and tie it down under the bottom of your gift if you'd like to do that. Like I said, I like to save my bows, so that's an option I would like to do. Or you can just cut away the excess. It's completely up to you. You have to be careful when curling the ribbon because the force you put into it, like the pressure, is going to determine how tight your curls are. So this is an extra piece. I'm going to show you what I mean. So this is what the ribbon looks like. I'm going to take my scissors just against it with medium pressure. So that was like slight pressure. You see it's just like a little, not really a big curl. So we're going to add a little more pressure. And you see it's curlier. So the amount of pressure you use makes it curly. So if you want it really curly, then use a lot of pressure. If you don't want it as curly, I'd say use like medium pressure. Just like that. So I want mine curled, but I don't want it really tight because I still like the cascading effect. So I'm going to take a piece, and I always say, there we go, so cute. You can always curl it tighter. I mean, you can loosen up a tighter curl, but it's a little more difficult. So I say curl it looser, and then you can always go back and make it slightly tighter. So I'm going to do this for all of the tails. Again, you can definitely just keep them straight if you want. It's personal preference. Okay, so I've curled all my pieces. I think it looks so cute and precious. Again, you can do this with thicker ribbon, multiple colors. Just have fun with it. You could definitely end it here and just hot glue this bow in place and you are all done. But I'm going to add one more final touch. Her cute little ornaments. So I'm going to take a piece of bow wire and thread it through the wire. The amount you use is completely up to you. Let's see how I think 3 looks really cute. So I'll stick with 3. Alright, so I've threaded them through. And I'm just going to tie it in a knot. 2 times. Just like that. So cute. And then I'm just going to tie this in the center of my bow. Definitely add fewer or more ornaments. It's completely up to you. I think that looks so cute and adorable. Last thing I'm going to do, add a dot of hot glue. Remember the other option I showed you where you can take your bow wire and tie it around the entire gift. But for this one, I think I'm just going to add a small amount of glue and glue it in place. This is your final product. So simple and easy to do, and it looks so cute and adorable. You can add as many tails and loops as you want. Just have fun with it and make it your own.